The solar system's 8 planets will never truly be in a straight line, but they can get close to it. As the solar system's planets rove around the sun, sometimes a few will appear to line up in the sky. But have all 8 planets ever truly aligned? The answer depends on how generous you are with the definition of a line for the solar system's planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. To start with, the orbits of the planets are all tilted to different degrees with respect to the Sun's equator. Arthur Kosowski, an astrophysicist at the University of Pittsburgh, told that when planets appear to line up in the sky, in reality, they are likely not positioned in a straight line in 3D space. Scientists said that the concept of planetary alignment is more about the visual appearance from our perspective on Earth rather than any significant physical alignment in space. A planetary conjunction is when 2 or more planets appear close together from our perspective on Earth. It's important to note that the planets are never actually close together. Even when 2 planets appear lined up to a person on Earth, they are still extremely far apart in space. The definition of how close the planets can appear to be considered aligned is not well defined. Any such definition would involve angular degrees, the way astronomers measure the apparent distance between 2 celestial objects in the sky. If you measured the distance around the circle of the entire horizon, that would equal to 360 degrees. To give an idea of the horizon's enormity, the full moon appears only half a degree across. In the book Mathematical Astronomy Morsels, Jean Mears, a Belgian meteorologist and amateur astronomer, calculated that the 3 innermost planets Mercury, Venus and Earth line up within 3 degrees on average every 39 years. Lining up more planets takes time. According to Mears, all 8 planets will line up within 3 degrees, for example, every 396 billion years, which means it has never occurred and will not occur, since the Sun will transform into a white dwarf in roughly 6 billion years from now. During this process, the Sun will become a red giant and expand in size to swallow both Mercury and Venus, and probably the Earth as well. Thus, only 5 planets will remain in our solar system. The chances are worse for all 8 planets aligning within 1 degree of sky. This will occur, on average, every 13 trillion years. In comparison, the universe is about 13 billion years old. If you consider the 8 planets aligned, if they are in the same 180-degree white patch of sky, the next time that will happen is 6 May 2492, according to Christopher Bade, an associate professor of physics at West Texas A&M University. According to the National Solar Observatory's facility at Sacramento Peak, California, the last time the 8 planets were grouped within 30 degrees was 1st January 1665, and the next time will be on 20 March 2673. Planetary alignments have virtually no significant physical effects on Earth. The only impact to life on Earth during an alignment is the wonderful display visible in the sky. There is no danger of enhanced earthquakes or anything like that. The change in the gravitational force that the Earth will experience due to any planetary alignment is negligible. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel, for there's more to come.